Alright, you guys wanted it this way. This is part 2 of me covering Suno AI. And yeah, there's been a lot of questions on the advanced features. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I cover everything regarding Suno, how to sign up, what the difference between the free and the pay plan is. By the way, there's no sponsoring by Suno or anything. I'm just doing this because I really like the tool, and this is not a paid promotion. This is just me trying out the tool. Yeah, since there's been a lot of questions on the advanced features, especially for the Pro plan, this is something that I'm gonna cover in this video. As I said, if you haven't watched the previous one, make sure to check it out. But let's go in. If you remember, or if you've seen the last video, then you know that we created the subscribe to me in the last one. And there's a couple of options that we have. If we go to this one here and click on the 3 dots here, then we got a lot of options here. We can remix it and edit it. And this one here is something that's in the Pro version only, but we can also cover it, we can extend it, we can use styles and lyrics, we can adjust the speed. So a lot of interesting functions that we're gonna go through. Adjust speed, this is something that we can do. We can make it slower, for example, if it was too slow for us, or if we wanted to be a speed version, we could, for example, say, let's give me a 1.26 times speed. We could keep the pitch, or if we wanted to sound like the Chipmunks, we could also do it like that. Subscribe to me remix, and then we could just hit remix and create the 2 times speed version, and we can directly play it. Let's give it a speedy listen. Alright, then you can also reuse the audio. For example, you can do the same, change the lyrics, change the style description. We didn't put too much into this one. For example, I made this electro core song here, and if we go here and click use styles and lyrics, then we're here, and then we can see a lot more. I got a longer style description that I had in here, and then you can change things up. For example, we could go in here and say, yeah, that was a nice song, but give me a female fronted vocal version out of this. You can also use this one, gives you a prompt, a creative boost. We can hit this. Let's see how it turns out. Now they gave it way more details. You could go through here and change it, but we don't want to do that. If you, for example, have a part that you don't like, you could go in here and then change it, take it until here. Hit pause, and then say, okay, continue this with, for example, an interlude or something like that, and then go into the final chorus. You can also cover this, make a different version out of this. So feel free to play around with this, but I don't want to go into too much detail because we got a lot of other things to do. What you can do is, let's go back to the subscribe to me, so because you know this one, we can make a persona out of this. And what does that mean? It is based on this song here, and you can choose the song that it should be based on. And this is, let's call them subscriber. We can also upload an avatar, prompt Suno to create an image, create a fitting image for the subscribe to me song with blue hair male. So this is a trash prompt, but just wanted to show you how this works. You can describe this persona's sound or bio, and here we go. This is a nice avatar. Let's go with this one. And then if it's public, personas copy the voice and styles of a song to new songs you create. This feature is only available to Pro and Premier users. Subscribe to gain access. Okay, so we are subscribed, so this worked. This is the subscriber personality. Let's hit save. And then we created this personality, and we can also use this. Here we can use the subscriber, then they use this here as the origin for all the songs that we add this persona to. Even more, you can remaster this if you're not happy with the final sound, but one thing I wanted to show you, we've covered all of those. You can also crop it, so make it shorter. You can replace a section, which is interesting. Basically, same again, if you don't like the second verse, for example, or a bridge or an interlude, then you can replace this. If you hit replace section, then they open this editor. And this is the same if I would have clicked on edit, open in editor. Welcome to the new Suno song editor. Make a selection to start editing, rearrange, rewrite, and make your music uniquely yours. So this is also Pro only and Premiere, which basically has the same features. And this is super interesting because you can see the intro, the verse, the chorus, and you can rearrange the song. Click on the top region of any audio clip to select it, then drag and drop it anywhere else on the timeline. So for example, we could, and this was wrong because I didn't click on the top here, you need to go here, just for example, switch the bridge and the chorus. It doesn't make any sense at all. But you can also change lyrics or melodies, try new lyrics or melodies by picking a clip or section, hit the button, here the replace button, to quick replace, or use the left panel to tweak lyrics and styles, then click replace section. Okay, so let's hit this one here and then replace section. This costs 10 credits. I really liked this one, but let's go with this one here. Now we get alternate versions of this that we can then play, and we can replace them.
Code and coins, they twist and turn. AI minds, they live and learn. Every code and coins, they twist and turn.
Let's just go with this one here. Commit, and now replaced it, and we can always go back to the original audio. So what we can also do is add a new section by clicking the plus above any section, a boundary, then set the lyrics and styles in the left panel. So for example, before the bridge, we could create a section, and it automatically creates this section here without us giving them any prompts. So we have a new build up here. If we don't like any of it, we can just go back and go to the original audio, but let's just add this in, and that's already it. We can also extend the song. If you click here, then you can extend it, which we don't want to do because it's already pretty long. You can work with the lyrics here. Click and drag on song lyrics to select them in the timeline. For example, if you want to change those lyrics here, then you see the selection now. You can also replace this section. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. You can see the edits here. You can insert the different things here that you didn't use. So it's super impressive what you can do. And you can also upload up to 8 minutes in here of your songs. So you could actually load them in if you produce them yourself. You could do remixes of your songs, create a persona out of your song. I've been playing around with this lately a lot, so there's lots of possibilities. You can always save as a new song, so you can still have the original version, but then you got the subscribe to me remix basically. And what we can do is also get the stems for this. All detected stems, get up to 12 separated instrument or vocal stems. Let's do this. This is another 50 credits. Since we're on the Pro version, it doesn't matter because we got so many credits, and they create 2 versions out of this again. Then you can download them. So there's lots of stuff that you can do. It's getting more and more crazy what the AI is able to do. I think it's a super, super powerful tool. you can always regenerate, but it costs 50 credits. And this is a rather long song now. And you can see here that it worked like a charm. You can download them individually or all at once. We have different versions here. And you can see there's some differences. Is there some differences? Sometimes there are differences. Yeah, they got the keyboard in the other one. They labeled it keyboard. And then they got other. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stems in here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in here. And you could just go through them, see how they are doing. You could, for example, just solo this, listen to the lead, go here, listen to this version. You could also mute the lead vocals, just listen to this. You can check, okay, what did they do under percussion? Then you're just listening to the percussion. They got the same here. So there's lots of possibilities that you have. Then you can export it. If you're a musician, get them into your DAW, play around with them there. So yeah, I hope that this second version answered a lot of your questions regarding the stems, the editor, all the possibilities that you have in Suno. And if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me or comment down below in the video. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.